While the country looked on in horror as the floods caused havoc in many communities in Trinidad such as Greenvale, there were those who suffered less damage and destruction, while others were spared altogether. But in times like these, that a country comes together to help each other, and many people have been doing just that. One such person is Tunapuna MP Esmond Forde, who said he was touched by what he saw.
When I sat down home and listening to the news and heard what really went on, I decided that I needed to do something for my Trinidad and Tobago.
That moved the Deputy Speaker of the House to make calls to several businesses in his constituency to supply items to aid the victims.
So I would have supplied them with some materials and some food stuff that I would have got from businessmen from the Trinidad. MP Prakash Ramada called me yesterday. Thanks for the assistance because, again, right, for what he called, I said, okay, send your truck. I sent down some stuff today.
Businessman Javon Jeffrey saw the activities by the MP's office through social media and came to collect supplies to distribute to his place of business in St. Helena, one of the worst affected communities.
People around me indirectly were very, very much affected. They lost just about everything. So in seeing his activity and his posts, really came down here to see what could be, given to assist my personal endeavor, my family and I personal endeavor to try to see what we could do.
Mr. Forde said the hard work his office was doing was being well supported.
I've just been blessed, by really some of the business in my community just calling and giving stuff.